Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about consistent income online. A lot of people, like maybe yourself, want to be able to leave your job and work full-time from home on the internet. And the problem that you may face is that maybe one month you make a lot of money, the next month you don't make hardly anything, and you want that income to be consistent so that you can stay away from your job. And there's 4 reasons why your income may be inconsistent online, and there's also things that you can do about that. And I'm going to have my business partner Joshua Elder explain to you what these 4 things are. You're going to get a lot of value from this, so go ahead and listen to Josh, and then I'm going to say a few words at the end.
Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk to those of you that are making some money in your affiliate marketing business, but maybe you haven't been able to scale. Maybe you're struggling to make a consistent income and you're dealing with the volatility of affiliate marketing. This specific video is for you. So if you're looking forward to the content, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because this channel is all about helping you create a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start back here in my merchant account. We're going to start from zero from January of this year all the way up to July 10th, which is today. It's Wednesday, July 10th, 2019. And I'm going to walk you through the earnings month after month. And I'm going to show you the volatility that I've dealt with. Now, it might not be as drastic as you think, but even if it's a few thousand to 10 to 15,000, especially when you start making the big money, that's a substantial difference. Because what if you want to go out there, you buy a house? What if you start accumulating different things and putting money into investments and having different assets out there? And just what happens is when you make more money, you start spending more money. And if you're not maintaining that income, then it leads to a lot of stress, a lot of unknown anxiety. And that's a problem that I wanted to solve in my own business. Over the course of the past 5 years of doing this full time, I've dealt with the volatility month after month and year after year. I made a lot of money. I spent it all. I lost it all traveling and thinking that the money was just going to continue to come to me. But then companies got shut down, different markets and products got saturated. And then I was left just wondering, okay, what type of income can I conservatively make and make consistently while being having that peace of mind that I always wanted to have. And so it led me to a point where I was like, okay, I'm either going to have to just make maybe $5,000, maybe $10,000 a month. Worst case scenario, maybe I can average that over the course of the year and I can just live off of that income and not try and go out there and buy fancy cars and buy, materialistic things and go on as many vacations. But I realized that's not a way to live either. Like if you want to go out there and you want to buy a brand new watch, right? Or you want to buy yourself a car, you don't want to have to wonder the next month, whether you're going to, be able to make the same amount of money that you made last month. So that's really the problem that I wanted to solve and that I solved in this video, is helping you create a consistent, predictable income in your affiliate marketing business month after month and year after year. So it took me up until this point to figure this out, but we're here back in January. As you can see, January 1st to January 31st, I did $32,043.08 just in this merchant account promoting one single product. And then in February, I did even better. I did $40,860.06. And then in March over here, I did $46,304.45. Right? My income's rising month after month. And then in April, I did $51,218.48. Well, I didn't really know what I was doing up to that point down to a science. So then comes May. In May, I did $18,839.56. Last month, I did double, right? In the month of April. And then in June, I did $16,331.27. I also have in my PayPal account on June, I believe it was June 30th. So let me go back here real quickly. Just go back to the 24th of June to today, the 10th of July. And you're going to see that on the 30th, I did get a payment of $2,389.70. So let's call it, right around, if we go back here, let's call it right around 18,000, 18.5. So I did about the same amount in June as I did in May, but still a significant difference So what was the difference? What caused this volatility within my income, right? And we're going to be talking about that today, but I made this fix finally in July. I finally made this fix and I realized, okay, I know exactly what's going on here. And I jumped back up. So you see that, it's the 10th today. I'm already at $13,278.60 in this account, plus the PayPal earnings right here, $970.70 on the 7th, $602 right here. That's roughly an extra $1,500. So that's about $14,700 in 10 days in the month of July. So we shot back up. So what was the difference? That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. As I said, I'm going to talk about the 4 reasons why your affiliate marketing business is inconsistent based off of the data that I gathered from the beginning of this year to now July, 7 months. So number 1, it's the inability to bridge your offer with value, okay? Whether it be a small bridge page that really indoctrinates people, that tells them a little bit about yourself, and then talks about a lot of the problems maybe in the marketplace, and then bridges them to the offer that would solve that specific problem or those set of problems. So number 1, if you're promoting a product that's saturated, a lot of people talk about saturation. The way that you eliminate saturation is by branding yourself on the front end, whether that be through continuity branding, like on your YouTube channel, or it be through one-time branding. Maybe you're doing email marketing and you send people to just a video like this, a lander video. All it is a video with a button below it, and you give value and then you bridge to the offer. That's a way that you can avoid saturation or deal with saturation. There's companies out there that have been around for 60 plus years, and there's still many affiliates that go out there and crush these offers because they understand how to bridge and how to create that relationship on the front end. Because once you create that relationship and that bond and that trust, it doesn't matter what you're going to promote on the back end. People will join you because, again, they trust you on the front end. So that's number 1. People have the inability to bridge the offer with the value. So many people are just thinking, all I need to do is take this traffic, send it directly to the offer, and I'm going to make a bunch of money. And obviously it does not work out that way. That's why you see a lot of people that do solo ads and do email marketing failing and failing and failing, is because they're not building that relationship on the front end. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2 is the inability to sell or even have a solid sales team in place. You see a lot of affiliate offers that are like, you know what, we're going to have a team for you that's going to close your sales, these high ticket sales, just leave it up to them. But then guess what happens? They perform well for a few months and then it becomes volatile, right? They start to relax. They're like, I made some good money this month, so I don't need to sell for Josh quite as much. I don't need to really focus on his leads. And that's just human nature. But you're putting your future into somebody else's hands. Again, that causes volatility. That's where I would have these $40,000 months, and then next month it would be like 5 to 10 grand. Still great though, right? But still, if you're bringing your living up, your expenses up to one single good month that you had, then you've got to consistently continue to make that income. So you run into that problem. So what I fixed is I started personally connecting with people through Facebook Messenger and even on the phone sometimes. And so just using Facebook Messenger and using the phone will help eliminate that volatility. And when you do it the right way and you got a proven script that you can follow, it's very, very easy to follow. And you don't have to be an expert, salesperson to be able to get that. So that was the second thing that I needed to solve to create predictable income. So you're noticing here, a lot of these done for you systems limit you and your ability to create consistent income. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3 is the lack of ability to drive consistent traffic. Okay. Now, when it comes to doing YouTube marketing or email marketing or Facebook marketing or Instagram marketing or any other type of online marketing, you need people coming through the front door constantly. You need to get names and email addresses every single day. You need to have people seeing your offer every single day. If they're not seeing your offer, maybe they're only seeing it on Monday or Wednesday and Friday, then you're going to see a spike in income on Monday, then it's going to depreciate on Tuesday, and another spike in income on Wednesday, so on and so forth. So if you're doing free advertising, for example, you need to be putting up content consistently. Yes, every single day or at least 3 times a week. If you're not doing that, then you're going to see volatility in your income. You're going to have one good week and then a bad week and then another good week, and it's just going to be all over the place. So the big problem that I had when it came to free marketing is that I felt like I was a hamster on a wheel, having to put up content day in and day out to maintain my income. So what was the answer to that? The answer was switching over to paid marketing, and not just doing free marketing, but supplementing my free marketing with paid marketing. Because if you have all your eggs in one basket, for example, you're just doing YouTube videos, you're going to have to deal with the volatility of the YouTube algorithm. Let's say you're doing Facebook marketing, you're going to have to deal with the volatility of doing Facebook marketing, free marketing specifically. So paid marketing is a great equalizer and a great way to consistently maintain your income and even see a rise over time, because when you have a systematic process that's working, that's proven to work, all you got to do is just send more traffic, aka pay for more traffic, and watch more money pop out on the back end. So once I fixed this problem, it made a huge difference in me maintaining the level of income that I wanted and even seeing growth in my business overall. The last reason why your affiliate marketing business is inconsistent is the fact that you're promoting more than one product, or you're promoting offer after offer. A lot of different offers are different price points. A lot of different offers convert at different rates. You also confuse your list. You also confuse yourself because you have a million different funnels, a million different autoresponder series, and it just goes mad and it gets hectic. Man, I log into my ClickFunnels account and I had like over 50 different funnels set up. I had like 15 different autoresponder series. I was promoting a JVZoo product one day and then a ClickBank product the next day. So again, I can maintain my income. What I realized is if I just focus on one product and promote it strategically and not confuse my list and create success stories with that one product, what's going to happen is my list is going to see that I'm not going anywhere. They're not going to join one thing and start studying that one thing, and then the next week jump on the next thing because I'm telling them to jump on this thing over there. I'll be able to create success stories, and through those success stories, I get referrals from my current students, which creates more students and more income. Once I realize this, one product, multiple success stories, growth in my business, and then focusing and solving these other three, I had a perfect formula for success.
Okay, hope you guys got some value from this. It absolutely does work, what Josh is saying. This has worked very well for me. In the last 12 months, I've been able to make over $43,000 with Josh's mentoring program. And if you want to learn how to build a long-term sustainable business in affiliate marketing, click on the first link in the description below the video. We can chat, we can see if this is a good fit for you. With that being said, this is Kara Mayer signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.